I told you that accuracy is only $9.99 away? Would you invest $10 to become the best shooter you can be? Well, right here, guys, is the accuracy bundle. And I put this together for my HTS system because the HTSers want to become better shooters, and I think you do too. So I put together 4 of the most popular foundation products. This covers grip, this covers stance, this covers trigger control, and sight picture. All 4 of these are going to give you a massive foundation lift and make you a better shooter. Pick up this right here, and I guarantee you, you'll be a better shooter. The link is down below. All you got to do is sign up, get them, download them, read them, take them to the range, and guess what? When you buy this bundle, you get right here, see what it says? Free access to the HTS system. And that free access to the HTS system gives you the masterclass, which is a 4-week masterclass. So this bundle and the masterclass will give you a solid foundation. And the nice thing about the masterclass, not only does it give you the drills, techniques, tips, and tricks, it's going to give you the knowledge you need to take your accuracy to the next level. And all of that for less than $10. I can tell you this, it's a steal. If you make any decisions about your accuracy this month, make it here. I'm John, the firearms instructor. I specialize in you, and I appreciate you being here and taking your accuracy to the next level. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. We'll see you folks. Bye-bye.